What if you could describe a complete business system in plain English and have it fully built, connected to your real tools, and running in minutes? Not just a prototype, not just code suggestions, a real working system with a live dashboard, real data, and automation built in. Today, I'm going to build an entire order management system from scratch, connect it to the cloud, and then let it run, without ever touching the code again. Why this matters. Welcome back. Right now, most people are still using AI inside chat windows, generating ideas, snippets of code, or step-by-step instructions. But the real shift happening in AI is this. We're moving from conversations to systems. Instead of asking AI for help every time, you describe what you want once, and it becomes something that keeps working for you in the background. In this video, I'll show you exactly what that looks like, step by step. Links for CREAO and full tutorials are in the description if you want to follow along. Getting started on CREAO. Here we are inside CREAO. The entire interface is centered around a single idea. Describe what you want in plain English. On the platform, you can browse built-in integrations like Gmail, Google Sheets, GitHub, Slack, Notion, and more. Explore projects created by other users. Connect custom APIs or external services. But today we're starting from zero. I'm going to build an order management system for a small coffee shop. Here's the prompt I'm using. Store customer names, capture order details and total amount. Include delivery or pickup date. Track order status from new to paid. Show live stats like total revenue and active orders. Notice what's missing. There's no schema design, no database setup, no front-end planning. It's just a description of the outcome. Solve. CREAO builds the app live. I'll click Generate, and now CREAO takes over. Behind the scenes, several things happen almost instantly. First, it interprets the intent of the prompt. Not just keywords, but the structure of the system we're describing. Then it determines what components are needed. A database to store orders, a user interface to create and manage them, logic for status tracking and calculations, integrations for any external tools. Next, it automatically designs the data schema, defining fields like customer name, order value, timestamps, and status states. And then the most impressive part, it writes and assembles the entire application live. Within minutes, we have a fully functional order creation form, editable records with detailed views, status filters and searchable lists, a live dashboard showing revenue and order metrics. Under the hood, this includes database-backed CRUD operations, validation to prevent incorrect data, real-time UI updates, error handling, and logging. All of this is generated automatically, without writing a single line of code. This is CREAO's super agent handling a complete real-world workflow. Solidify, one-click Appification. Now we take it from generated app to running system. With one click, this entire workflow becomes a permanent agent app. What that means is the structure is fixed. The integrations are locked in. The logic runs the same way every time. From here on, let's try it. I create a new order. It's instantly stored. I update the status. It reflects everywhere. The revenue dashboard updates in real time. Everything behaves exactly as expected. And most importantly, this output is saved in my Files panel for later access. Instead of creating a one-time output, Creo turns this workflow into a reusable agent app. Once saved as an agent app, I can run it again anytime without rebuilding the workflow. I can also share the agent app with my team and connect it to external tools. The HTML page is simply one possible output. The real value is the agent app behind it. Now that the agent app is set up and running smoothly, let's look at how Creo connects these workflows with AI capabilities inside the platform. Creo lets me directly choose and use different AI models inside the workspace. Instead of switching tools or setting things up manually, I can simply pick the model I need for the task, whether it's reasoning, writing, or data processing. Everything works inside one integrated system, making the workflow much faster and more seamless. Here's what makes this different. The super agent builds complete working systems, not partial outputs. One-click Appification turns a prompt into a permanent usable tool. Consistent deterministic execution ensures reliable results every time. And integrations allow you to connect with virtually any external service. This is the shift from AI that helps you think to systems that actually do the work for you. If you want to try this yourself, check out the links in the description. Connect to your tools, build your first system and see what it feels like when your workflow runs on its own. What would you build first? A business system? A personal dashboard? Something fully automated? Let me know in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and remember, what you build should outlive the conversation.